Citizen Coalition for Change MP cries farewell. Sanapinda mashoko atona kuti aiwa there is a triple C MP aiwa ugwadziwa pamusoro pekustopiwa kukondakta aiwa a crucial feedback meeting aiwa pamwechete aiwa nema-citizens ake ma-members ake. Sanapinda mashoko ari kunyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa these guys they are complaining kuti aiwa we are now tired of the regime. Panapa zvanenge vachida kuita panguva inoyi zvinenge zviri ngori against kana kuonekwa kunzi you are not supporting the ruling party ZANU-PF, you no longer have power and authority. Sanapinda mashoko abudanyirwa panapa kuti subscribe like what on the bell like kuti panapa muNewsDay vanobudanyirwa vachiti an opposition citizen coalition for change triple C legislator expressed concerns over being barred from conducting crucial feedback meetings with the constituents. Newsday can report. Mwizo legislator Madzivanyika raised the concern in the National Assembly when he asked Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kazembe Kazembe about what he described as acts of sabotage and discrimination on the part of the Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP. Madzivanyika detailed his personal experience, stating that he had been denied clearance for constituents meetings on multiple occasions. He cited instances in 2024 where his applications were turned down due to the ZRP police. Mashoko anobudanyirwa panapa this Citizen Coalition for Change legislator achiti aiwa panapa pane sabotage and discrimination iri kuitika. Noda kuti aiwa panenge wadati ma-feedback meetings avo vachida approval from the ZRP police vanoda kuti aiwa their applications that turned down. Panapa vanotadza kugrandiwa authority kana kuti the permission to go and do what they will be wanting to do, even to go as a feedback kuma citizens. Mashoko ari kuonekwa panguva ino atikuona is this triple C MP pari kuchema achiona kuti aiwa the only ones who are being allowed or given approval these are the guys chete vari ngori the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tuzive mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.